Today, we retrieve what the ocean refused to surrender.
Tension's increasing. Keep monitoring the levels.
We're clear on this section. Moving to the winch.
All right, slowly now. Don't want any kinks at this depth.
The relic lies in a deep-sea zone shaped by time, pressure, and preservation, inaccessible with
The relic's survival is owed to deep-sea preservation, hidden beneath sediment and wreckage, rare and valuable.
All right, team, this is it. Easy now. Lower the array to 20 meters.
Roger that. Lowering to 20 meters.
Watch the currents on the starboard side.
a centuries-old, ocean-preserved Rolls-Royce, extremely rare and valuable, lies hidden.
The rare, mysterious vehicle lies buried beneath sediment near historical wreckage, extremely difficult to reach because
Maintain descent speed. Watch the current shear.
The vehicle survived deep underwater due to power left hidden among debris and sediment prediment near sunken structures.
Look at that definition.
It's definitely the Rolls-Royce.
Confirmed. But the terrain around it looks unstable.
The rare Rolls-Royce survived centuries beneath the ocean due to deep-sea preservation, hidden under sediment and debris near sunken wreckage.
Minimal movement. That ground won't hold.
The centuries-old vehicle lies near historical wreckage, preserved by deep-sea conditions, obscured by sediment and unstable debris.
We have a massive spike on the sonar, trajectory Alpha 9er.
The shifting mass is destabilizing the debris field.
Hold position. Sediment is starting to shear.
The ocean-preserved Rolls-Royce remained hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, rare and valuable.
The centuries-old vehicle lies near unstable wreckage.
Are the forward tensors calibrated?
Confirmed. We are green for the primary extraction sequence.
The centuries-old Rolls-Royce endured Rolls-Royce deep-sea pressure and time, preserved beneath stagnant sediment.
Structures tighter than expected.
We stabilize first. No shortcuts. The ocean-preserved Rolls-Royce survived centuries due to deep-sea isolation and pressure, resting among unstable...
Increase load gradually. Watch the seabed.
The rare vehicle survived due to deep-sea preservation, buried near unstable wreckage and debris fields that complicate extraction. The rare submerged Rolls-Royce survived centuries due to pressure and time, hidden near historical wreckage and debris.
The centuries-old vehicle's recovery is complicated by its preservation environment, debris, and deep-sea pressure history.
Maintain ascent rate. No sudden movements.
The preserved Rolls-Royce endured deep-sea isolation, pressure, and time, remaining hidden near wreckage until now.
The rare Rolls-Royce endured centuries beneath the ocean floor near historical wreckage. The centuries-old vehicle survived underwater due to time, pressure, and cold.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the deck sway.
Steady on the tagline, keep it clear.
And easy stop.
The centuries-old Rolls-Royce survived deep underwater due to isolation, pressure, and cold, remaining intact despite surrounding wreckage.
She's still intact.
We actually found it.
After all this time, it looks brand new.
Unbelievable.
The rare vehicle remained hidden beneath the ocean floor for centuries, preserved by deep-sea pressure and isolation.
The centuries-old Rolls-Royce survived underwater due to deep-sea preservation, hidden near wreckage and sediment until now.
That's history brought back to the surface.